welcome to my channel Chem Solution. So after a long time I am back with the video because your exams are coming. So this is the video on organic chemistry nomenclature IUPAC for 11th 12th basics nomenclature will do. So let's start for this. Now I am starting with organic compounds. What are the organic compounds? First, organic compounds are those compounds which have carbon in them and which are found in the nature are known as organic compounds. Okay, so it is written here as a carbon molecule should be present there. Okay, so it will be organic compounds. Why carbon we have used? Because of its property which is tetravalency, and second one is catenation to form a safe linkage with itself and with another atom. Next is types of organic compounds. First is hydrocarbon, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, haloalkanes and carboxylic acid. These are the types of organic compounds. Okay, so first of all we will use hydrocarbon. What are hydrocarbons? Which contains carbon and hydrogen only, that are known as hydrocarbons. It is differentiated in saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons is alkanes with single bonds C, that is alkane saturated. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Here N is number of carbon atom. Okay, so this is saturated hydrocarbon. Next will be unsaturated, and this alkene and alkyne is there. So double bond for alkene and triple bond for alkyne. Okay, so C double bond C, it will be alkene, and C triple bond C it will be alkyne. Okay, alkene and alkyne. So the formula for alkene is CnH2n and formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Okay, remember N is the number of carbon atoms. Next, IUPAC nomenclature according to the carbon chain, how many carbons are present. So for one carbon we will use meth, second for eth, third for prop, fourth for but, 5 for pent, 6 for hex, 7 for hept, 8 for oct, 9 for non. Okay, and for single bond we will use the suffix ane, for double bond we will use the suffix ene, and for triple bond we will use the suffix yne. For example, C3H8, because 3 carbons are there, so we will use the prefix prop, and it is the form of alkane, so we will use the ane, propane. The name will be propane. Next, C7H14, 7 carbons, hept, and it is the form of alkene. Okay, so we will use the ene. C2H2, C triple bond C, alkyne, so we will use as eth for 2 carbons and yne for the alkyne. C5H10, 5 carbon atoms pent, and it is the form of alkene, so we will use ene. Okay, here other example also, CH3 CH2 double bond CH2 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 CH3. First count the number of carbon atoms from left side, because from left side it double bond will give the less number. Okay, smallest number. So number of carbon atoms are 6 for hex, and the position of 2, it is double bond, so hex 2 ene. The position will be, the name will be hex 2 ene. Got it? Next, CH2 CH3 CH CS double bond CH2 CH2 CH3 CH3. Number of carbon atoms are 7. Okay, we'll start naming from left. Which position? Third position, double bond is there, so hept for the 7 carbon atoms and 3 for the position, and ene for the double bond, so name will be hept 3 ene. So do these examples and comment on the comment box after doing this homework. We'll next examples. Branched hydrocarbons. So what are branched hydrocarbons? In which branches are there? So first of all, the rule is you have to select the longest chain. Second one, you have to choose the substituent carbon outside the longest chain, that is methyl, ethyl or propyl, CH3, C2H5 and C3H8. Okay, So this will be the substituent, methyl, ethyl and propyl. We have to give the number of the chain in such a way that the substituent will get the smallest number. First the substituent name and then the longest chain name. Got it? Next, the fourth one will be substituent. Name the substituent first before the carbon main chain. Here see the example, CH3 is the substituent. So I have written the name first of substituent, 2-methyl, and 3 carbons are there, 1, 2, 3. So prop and single bond is there, so 2-methyl propane. Okay. Next, CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here on the third position CH3, so I have written 3. Methyl is group is the substituent, 3-methyl, 6 for hex, ANE for single bond. Okay. Next is CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. On the third position CH2, CH3, that is ethyl. So 3 ethyl pent, total number of carbons. This is substituent, this is not counted in the main chain. So number will be pent N. Next is CH3, CH2, CH, CCH3. Okay. 2 CH3 groups are present on the position of 2. So I will write 2 times 2, 2, 2, 2, comma 2. How many groups are there? Di for 2 groups. Di for methyl, dimethyl, and 4 carbons are there. So but and single bond is there, butane. Okay. And CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. Which position? Third position and fourth position. So 3, 4 dimethyl hexane. Total number are hexane. Okay. So these are the homework for you. Please note it down for 2 minutes and comment on the answer on the comment box. I will pause the screen for 2 minutes. Please note it down. Okay, let's move forward. Other organic compounds are haloalkanes, in which alkane is there plus halogen group is there. Halogen means fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. Fluorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine are the halogen groups. So prefix will be halo. Chloro for Cl, fluoro for fluoro, bromo for Br and iodo for I. Okay. So haloalkane, halogen, haloalkane. Okay. Next is alcohol, in which carbon is attached to OH group, that is alcohol. Suffix will be OL. Okay. Aldehyde, next group is aldehyde, C double bond OH. Okay. On the one side it is C and one side is H, and in the medium side it will be C double bond O. So suffix will be used as Al for aldehyde. And next is the ketone, in which both the sides are occupied with carbon and the carbonyl group is in the between. So suffix will be used as a ONE. Let's do some examples of it. One more functional group is there, that is carboxylic acid, C double bond OH. Oic acid, suffix is oic acid. Okay. So examples are CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. So Cl is present, so chloro is present. So first we'll write the name of chloro and how many carbons are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So but for 4 and ANE for single bond. So chlorobutane will be the IUPAC nomenclature. Next, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Okay. So number of carbon atoms are 3. So prop for 3, N. We have to not put the E here, we have to escape the E here. Okay. So E is escapable. After this we will write the suffix of alcohol, that is OL. Okay. Okay, the name will be propanol. Okay. Next, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. 4 carbons for but, N for single bond. We will escape the E here, and after that ON is there. Next is CH3, CH2, 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 COH. Here oic acid is there, carboxylic acid is there. So pent for 5 carbon atoms, AN for single bond and oic acid for the suffix for carboxylic acid. Now next, moving towards the cyclic hydrocarbon, that is cyclo will be used as the cyclohydrocarbons. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So in the form of cyclo, so we'll use the prefix cyclo. And how many carbon atoms are there? 1 2 3 4. So but for 4 and N for butane. Cyclobutane will be the IUPAC name. Next, CH2 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 CH2. 5 carbon atoms are there, and the form of cyclo is also there. So cyclopentane, the name will be cyclopentane. Next, CH2 CH2 CH CH2 double bond CH. So in the form of cyclo, write cyclo here, and then pent, and one double bond is there, so it will be ene. So cyclopentene. Okay, so this is the all basic information about the organic chemistry nomenclature class 11th and 12th. If you want to study organic chemistry as a beginner form, you can see the video and you can like it and subscribe it. I will put more videos on it, and whichever video you want to share with me, you can write on the comment box, so I will make that video next. Okay, do your homework on time and comment on it. Thank you.